gonna try something a little different because lately I haven't had very much time. I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna do my intro on the road. I had received that comment from Valerie. She wants me to do a lighthouse painting, and I hadn't forgotten. I just was feeling a little bit intimidated because I know it's gonna take a little bit more time than some of the other paintings I've done. I definitely don't have enough time to do this lighthouse painting that I'm imagining by Tuesday, which is sort of the deadline I've been setting myself to post each week. So yesterday I was kind of researching lighthouses. I've never seen a lighthouse in person before. I was researching it. I pulled out this adorable little set of sculptures and photography of lighthouses that my adopted grandma sent me a while back, and I was just looking at them and I decided which lighthouse I wanted to paint and research more about. Later that day I went to a wedding reception where I was doing the wedding photography for. Towards the end of the reception, a woman who had reached out to me earlier this week about teaching a painting class to a group of teenagers just talked to me about that a little bit. The class would be anywhere between 15 to 20 teenagers, and I think it just depends on interest, but I'd probably have about 2 or 3 classes, I'm guessing. So I'm trying to think, what can you paint in 40 minutes that's going to look really good? And she said, well, the theme is lighthouses. Lighthouses! I'm excited to see what it is that I'm supposed to learn about painting lighthouses. This week, since I don't have enough time to do the full painting yet, I'm going to do the 40-minute painting that I'm going to be teaching the teenagers. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to just do a basic lighthouse. It's going to be probably the sample painting that I'm going to use to show what we're going to do in the class. So this is going to have a lot of basic beginner painting techniques, and you should be able to do it within 40 minutes or less. These are the materials you'll need to get started. I'm pulling my paintbrushes from my kids' art bucket because the budget for the students will probably only allow for me to get them craft quality brushes. I want to see what challenges these brushes might present the students. I cropped the image for this painting from a royalty-free image on Pexels. The link is in the description. This painting ended up taking me about 50 minutes to complete, and then when I painted the edges black, about 1 hour to complete. So what do you think I can do to cut that time down to 30 to 40 minutes? I was thinking of just painting the lighthouse maybe, or simplifying everything so that it's a little bit more flat and not worry about some of the details. What are your thoughts? What do you think a beginner would enjoy painting and would be simple but also would look good? I hope you enjoyed painting with me today. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thank you.